With deep sadness, we bid farewell to an extraordinary individual, Faustin Twagiramungu, who has left us. Faustin Twagiramungu was not just a name. He was a symbol of courage, determination, and unwavering faith in justice, freedom, and democracy for the people of Rwanda. Throughout his entire life, Faustin Twagiramungu was committed to the noble cause of justice and equality. He was a beacon of hope for many in Rwanda and beyond who aspire to a more just society. His dedication to the cause of democracy was unparalleled, and he never wavered, even in the most challenging and complex political and social environments. Faustin Twagiramungu was a brilliant thinker and a passionate speaker. His words were like a light in the darkness, and his advocacy for freedom and democracy inspired many to stand up for what was right. He was a man of principles, and he sacrificed personal comforts for the greater good of his people. In a time when Rwanda faced significant challenges and divisions, Faustin Twagiramungu remained a voice of reason and reconciliation. He believed that dialogue and cooperation were the keys to peace and progress, and he worked tirelessly to promote these values. While Faustin Twagiramungu is no longer with us physically, his legacy will live on in the hearts and minds of those he influenced. He leaves us a legacy of courage, determination, and hope. And it is up to us to carry on his vision and continue to fight for justice, freedom, and democracy in Rwanda and around the world. Let us remember Faustin Twagiramungu as one of the foremost advocates for justice, freedom, and democracy in Rwanda, and as one of the unwavering campaigners of our time. May his soul rest in peace, knowing that his struggle was not in vain, and that his legacy lives on in the pursuit of a